Hey friends, if you encounter IO1 initialization failed blue screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So we have a few commands here which will fix the MBR and rebuild the BCD, which is very helpful for HDD drives. Copy it, search for command prompt, click on run as administrator in the right pane and then paste them and hit enter. Now here are two things. The first case is that it will fix the problem. The second case is that it will not. If this fixes the problem, well and good. If not, trust me, no other solution will help. The only way to recover from this issue is a cloud reset, because nothing else will work. No SFC scan, nothing will work. I've tried that. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down, click on recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything, wait for it to load and finally select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.